New 100 Modern Kitchen Design Ideas. Latest Modern Kitchen Cabinet Ideas for a sleek and stylish look. Hey everybody, and welcome to this video on modern kitchen cabinet ideas. If you're thinking of renovating your kitchen, or just looking for some inspiration to refresh its look, then you're in the right place. Kitchen cabinets can transform the look and feel of your kitchen, making it more functional, stylish, and comfortable. In this video, we'll be discussing some of the latest trends in modern kitchen cabinets that you can use to elevate your kitchen to the next level. Sky-high cabinets. Sneak extra storage into your kitchen by not only installing cabinets above the counters, but also snaking the cupboards around the room, like over the fridge. Just don't forget the step stool. Metal grate cabinets. Display cabinets with metal grate fronts, instead of traditional glass enclosures, are a happy medium between closed and open storage. With glass, everything lining the cabinet shelves needs to be just so, because you can see straight through. But with metal grates, you don't have to worry about packaging your essentials in a pretty way, since you can only get a peek inside. Minimalism is in. Minimalism is one of the hottest trends in modern kitchen cabinet design. It's all about simplicity, clean lines, and a clutter-free space. You can achieve this look by choosing sleek and minimalist cabinets that don't have too many embellishments. You can also use neutral colors like white, gray, or beige to create a minimalist look. Minimalist cabinets are perfect for small kitchens, as they make the space feel more open and less cluttered. Double-duty cabinets. Want to hide your dishwasher? Add a cabinet front, so it doesn't break up the line of cabinetry under the counter. Even better, hide it with something as gorgeous as hardware-free cabinets in a blush pink paint. Mixed materials. Another trend in kitchen cabinet design is the use of mixed materials. You can mix and match different materials, like wood, metal, and glass, to create a unique and modern look. For example, you can use wooden cabinets with metal accents to create an industrial look, or glass cabinets with wooden frames for a more contemporary look. You can also experiment with different textures, like matte, glossy, or brushed finishes, to create a visual contrast. Bold colors. If you're looking to make a bold statement with your kitchen cabinets, then you can opt for bold colors like navy blue, emerald green, or burgundy. These colors can add depth and personality to your kitchen, and they work well with neutral countertops and backsplashes. Bold colors are perfect for modern kitchens that want to make a statement and stand out from the crowd. Open shelving. Open shelving is another trend in modern kitchen cabinets that has been gaining popularity in recent years. It's all about showcasing your favorite kitchen items, like plates, glasses, and bowls on open shelves, instead of hiding them behind closed doors. Open shelving is perfect for modern kitchens that want to create a more casual and relaxed atmosphere. You can mix and match different materials, like wood, metal, and glass, to create a unique look. High-tech features. Modern kitchen cabinets are not just about looks, they also come with high-tech features that can make your life easier. For example, you can opt for cabinets with built-in charging stations for your devices, or cabinets with built-in LED lighting that can help you see better while cooking. You can also opt for cabinets with built-in appliances, like a microwave or a wine cooler, to save space and make your kitchen more functional. Customization. Modern kitchen cabinets offer a high level of customization that can help you create a kitchen that reflects your personal style and needs. You can choose the size, shape, and color of your cabinets, as well as the type of hardware and accessories that you want to use. Customization is perfect for modern kitchens that want to create a unique and personalized look. Glass front cabinets. Glass front cabinets are a popular trend in modern kitchen design because they create a sense of openness and lightness in the space. You can choose cabinets with clear glass, frosted glass, or even stained glass to add a pop of color. Glass front cabinets are perfect for displaying your favorite kitchen items and can help you keep track of what you have in your cabinets. Build into the island. Get more usable space out of your kitchen island by customizing it with extra cabinets and drawers. This can help keep walls clear and elongate high ceilings. Two-tone cabinets. Two-tone cabinets are a great way to add visual interest to your kitchen. You can choose two different colors or finishes for your cabinets, such as white and wood, or black and stainless steel. Two-tone cabinets can help you create a focal point in your kitchen and add depth to the space. Handle-less cabinets. Handle-less cabinets are a great choice in modern kitchen design because they create a sleek, streamlined look. Instead of traditional handles or knobs, these cabinets use a push-to-open mechanism or a finger groove to open and close the doors. Handle-less cabinets are perfect for small kitchens because they save space and make the room feel more open. Smart storage solutions. Modern kitchen cabinets can offer smart storage solutions that can help you make the most of your space. For example, you can choose cabinets with pull-out drawers, lazy Susans, or vertical dividers to keep your kitchen items organized and easily accessible. Smart storage solutions can help you maximize your storage space and create a more functional kitchen. Mix of open and closed cabinets. Another trend in modern kitchen design is the use of a mix of open and closed cabinets. You can choose to have some cabinets with doors to hide clutter, and others with open shelves to display your favorite items. This mix of open and closed cabinets can help you create a balance between functionality and style in your kitchen. Integrated appliances. Integrated appliances are another trend in modern kitchen design. These are appliances that are built into your cabinets and blend seamlessly with your kitchen design. You can choose to have your refrigerator, dishwasher, or oven integrated into your cabinets to create a clean and streamlined look. Finally, modern kitchen cabinets offer a wide range of design options to fit any style preference and budget. Whether you prefer a sleek and minimalist look, or a more rustic and natural feel, there is a modern kitchen cabinet design that can fit your needs. By considering factors such as materials, colors, and storage options, you can create a kitchen space that is both functional and stylish. So, don't be afraid to experiment with different cabinet designs and take inspiration from the latest trends to create the kitchen of your dreams. With the right modern kitchen cabinet design, you can transform your kitchen into a space that is both beautiful and functional for years to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more great content.